All right, we're back. Ran out of space on my video, so apparently I can't go over 30 minutes. So we'll go back to here. So we're gonna go back and do. So this is the VFD Gecko 540. This is wiring for my Gecko. I'm running. So for my power supplies, I'm running two 48-volt 5-amp power supplies, which then run into a redundancy module, which then outputs into this meter here, which only ran like 2 amps. So I may actually just take this out because I'm way under the maximum load of my power supply. So I was concerned that I would, because they're saying you got the 3.5 amp motors, the math, they said I needed at least a 15 amp power supply. Well, I was even barely touching the current meter. I mean, it's consuming 1 amp right now. 1.8 was like 2 amps. Or I just might mount this up here or something so I can see it. But overall, good to go. I got these are, so these is X, Y, and Z, my limit switches. I'm using inductor sensors. The old version had optos, and what would happen is when I was cutting, wood chips would get in the opto sensors and it would shut the machine down. So I opted for inductor sensors, and all the inductor sensors are located on the gantry. They're none on the bottom of the machine. So this is why, this is kind of how you're doing right now. I haven't quite engineered how I want to fix this. So this is my Y, this is my X, and then this one here is my Z. They all come in and they tie into this box right here, which gets 12 volts coming from this power supply. And then the outputs all come down here and then drive these 3 relays. I'm only using one of these relays down here. One is the forward motion on the VFD. The VFD has a relay that basically comes back and tells the Gecko input number 4 that the VFD is up to speed. I don't have Linux CNC monitoring that pin yet. I do have it controlling this little light, but it doesn't. I have my ladder set up that it will. So if I hit the turn spindle motor on, when it gets to speed, it turns on. So that's my little CNC. Thanks for watching.